In this tutorial I'll show you how the pen tool works in Adobe Illustrator. Click on the pen tool or you can just press P on your keyboard. Pen tool allows you to create freehand lines and shapes. Click on the canvas. You will notice a line following your cursor. Now wherever I click on the canvas it creates another anchor point and then I can click again to create another anchor point. Now if you want to finish this line right here you could just press escape or enter on your keyboard. And now you have a finished line. You can click on the anchor point while holding shift key to continue the line or shape like this. If you want to complete the shape, bring this back to the starting point and click on it, it will close the path. Now you have a custom shape that you just created with the pen tool. You can add new anchor points if you want. Let's say you wanted to add an extra anchor point here. You can just go and click on that line and it just add an extra anchor point. Now you will be able to move that anchor point by going to the direct selection tool and moving it. Like the way I am doing it. If you want to delete an anchor point, click on the existing anchor point that you want to delete and it would be deleted. You will also notice a minus sign on the cursor. Now I'll show you how you can create curved lines with the pen tool. Let's create a new shape, but instead of clicking I am gonna click and drag it. It will allow me to create a curved line of my choice. You will know this as you click and drag and move your cursor, so does the line that you are creating. Now I am gonna leave it right there. The next point that I create is following the similar curve as you can see here. So I can go ahead like this and come over here and click and drag to create another curved point like this. Now if you don't want this anchor point to be curved and you want it to be a sharp corner, what I could do is I could press enter on the keyboard and then click on the anchor point tool and continue making the shape that I want to make. Congratulations! Now you have made a curved shape with the pen tool. Now give it a color of your choice. There's one other thing about pen tool that I want to add. If you want to confine a line to the vertical and horizontal axis, what you can do is you can hold shift in the keyboard and it will lock it either to vertical axis like that or the horizontal axis. Or you can make it to a perfect 45 degrees angles diagonally. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.